Hi guys, I welcome you all back to Sai Love Light Healing. So let us check. क्या आपके पर्सन आपको याद करते हैं या नहीं करते? क्या वो आपको मिस करते हैं या नहीं करते? इफ यू आर इन सेपरेशन, इफ यू आर इन नो कॉन्टैक्ट और अदरवाइज एनी सिचुएशन, लेट्स चेक व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस फ्रॉम योर पर्सन. ओके, there is some noise which is disturbing us today, but it's fine. We have three of wands, so definitely um, I'm getting an energy of searching for you everywhere they go. वो आपके लिए हर जगह पे आपको ढूंढते हैं, आपके जैसा पर्सन में भी ढूंढते हैं, लेकिन उनको मिल नहीं पाता. ओके, इट कुड बी योर एनर्जीज और योर पर्सन्स एनर्जीज एज वेल. ओके, सो टेक इट एज इट रेजोनेट्स. जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं वो they are just unable to replace what you brought to the table, unable to replace your vibe, your energies, your love. Okay, so this is the energy of your person. Maybe 3 number is important for you. Also they are holding on to you. हो सकता है कि आपका पर्सन जो है वो जहाँ कहीं भी जाते हैं वो you know there is always your memories which they carry along with them wherever they go. Okay, so they are basically holding on to you. They are not wanting to let you go. Okay, जो भी वो कर रहे हैं अभी, जो भी बिहेव जैसा भी उनका रहा है अभी सो फार. ओके, दे आर नॉट वांटिंग टू लेट यू गो. Okay, they don't want to lose their hold over you. That's another thing that I'm getting. Okay, we have temperance card, so they are trying to you know they are trying to control their anger. Okay, they are trying to maintain their temper. Maybe you have temper issues, you have anger issues. Okay, you or your person. Okay, so they are trying to balance those things out, balance those energies out. Okay, and they don't want to just keep on taking. Now they are stepping into an energy कि जहाँ पे वो भी same energy, same love reciprocate करना चाहते हैं, because you have been pouring so much of love, energy, efforts for this person in their cup. Now it's their turn to do it for you, and now they are getting ready to do it because they are getting enough guidance, enough signs कि अभी अगर मैंने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया. ओके, इट कुड बी यू और योर पर्सन. आपको पता है कि अगर अभी आपने या फिर आपके पर्सन ने एक्शन नहीं लिया तो अभी आई माइट लूज दिस पर्सन और दिस प्रेशियस कनेक्शन. ओके, सो दे आर नॉट वांटिंग टू टेक दिस फॉर ग्रांटेड, दे वर नॉट टेकिंग दिस फॉर ग्रांटेड. लेकिन अभी उनके जो एंजल्स है वो उनको इनफ साइंस भी दे रहे हैं, प्लस गाइडेंस भी दे रहे हैं. ऑल्सो दे आर गिविंग देम guidance to act now. Okay, so I hope they follow the guidance of the angels. Okay, they are receiving from the spirit guides. So now basically they are ready to pour their love on you for this connection. Invest basically, because with this 10 of pentacles I'm getting they are ready to invest for a very long period of time. Okay, they are not here for casual relationships or for time pass. So with this card, I'm getting that they are ready to shower so much of love on you. As I said, they are ready to pour their love energies on you and in this connection. So they are ready to do it. Maybe जैसे मैंने बोला उनको कहीं से तो guidance मिल रहा है. Maybe they have taken help of somebody who who is much older than you both. Okay, or maybe to them. Okay, they are getting guidance from a male figure or something, or somebody who is who is helping them to reach out to you, or maybe to come towards you, to approach you in a very different manner. Okay, uh, they are meeting you the halfway, or maybe आप जितना distance उनके लिए चल के आए हैं. Okay, now they are also ready to come towards you. You are not only the one who is supposed to walk towards them. Now they are also ready to come towards you, walk towards you, make efforts, make amends. That's another message that I'm getting. Okay, so they are ready to I get joining hands, and maybe two missing pieces, when they come together it makes a beautiful puzzle. Okay, so that's another thing that I'm getting, and they also feel the same way. Okay, we have 5 of swords. So अभी तक उनका अगर बिहेवियर ऐसा रहा है कि आपको कंटिन्यूसली डाउट्स मिले हैं, या फिर कंटिन्यूसली यू आर वंडरिंग, और मे बी यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस कनेक्शन, और मे बी आपको ना अपनी सेल्फ को प्रोटेक्ट करना था, बिकॉज आप इस पर्सन का ऐसा बिहेवियर था कि आपको एक क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल रही थी कि मुझे क्या करना है, वेदर आई एम सेफ इन दिस कनेक्शन, वेदर आई हैव टू कीप ऑन पुटिंग एनर्जीज एंड इन्वेस्टिंग माई लव इन दिस कनेक्शन और नॉट. सो अभी तक आपको ऐसा लग रहा था. ऑल्सो दिस पर्सन वॉज गिविंग यू हॉट एंड कोल्ड एनर्जीज, और मे बी हॉट एंड कोल्ड बिहेवियर रहा है उनका, या फिर वो ऑन एंड ऑफ बिहेवियर रहा है उनका. So that is the case with this person. लेकिन अभी सी टिल नाउ दे हैव ऑलवेज बीन कीपिंग देयर टैब्स ऑन यू. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आप पे बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं देते थे. यू आर कंटिन्यूसली ऑन देयर माइंड. Fine. But till now they were, kind of protecting themselves first. They were keeping and putting themselves first, but now they are ready to make you a priority. Okay, they are ready to prioritize you, your relationship, your connection, whatever the case may be between the two of you. We have the sun card. I won't be able to show you, but the kid here is so happy. It's a wonderful energy. Sunflowers are blooming, the flowers are blooming. Okay, the flowers are growing. Okay, and the kid here is so free, full of energy, full of freedom and happiness. Okay, so new beginnings and happiness, success, everything coming towards you, abundance. Whatever you are asking for is going to come in abundance to you. Okay, it's going to reach out to you very soon. Basically, happiness is knocking at your door. We have Nine of Pentacles, so you have been investing in yourself more. In your happiness, you are trying to find happiness by spending time alone. Okay, अभी तक आपकी जो happiness जो थी, you were so much, your happiness and your peace of mind, or maybe your energy was very much uh, moving around this person. Okay, it was depending on your person's mood, or maybe your person's actions, their response, or maybe their behavior. But now there is a shift. There is a shift. You have shifted your focus, your energies, and you have started investing in yourself more. And now your person has also come to know about the energy shift, and now they are also ready to pour in the same in you. Okay, in your connection, in you, for you. Okay, so they are ready to reach out to you. Next we have is the Lovers card. I won't be able to show you, yeah, but this is the Lovers card. So your angels are blessing you. It's going to be a beautiful connection if you both really want to be together. Okay, it's going to be so basically you should stop doubting it. Okay, you should not, there is no opportunity of doubt left in the connection. That's another thing I'm getting. Stop doubting first. Okay, we have don't stop. So if you are manifesting something, this connection, or maybe beautiful long-term relationship, partnership, it's going to come towards you. Listen to your intuition. So आपका जो दिमाग है, आपका जो माइंड है, इट माइट बी क्लाउडेड विथ सो मेनी ऑफ डाउट्स एंड इनसिक्योरिटीज अबाउट दिस कनेक्शन, बट आपका इंट्यूशन चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहा है दैट यू शुड नॉट स्टॉप being positive or manifesting this connection. Okay, it's very fulfilling relationship for you within the next few months. So whatever outcome you are expecting, it's going to get manifested. और जो भी आपको चाहिए एक आउटकम जिसके लिए आप वेट कर रहे हैं, it's going to get it's going to soon become your reality and it's going to be manifested in your life. But ऐसा कोई भी अटैचमेंट या ऑब्सेशन नहीं रखना चाहिए टाइम फ्रेम के साथ कि इन्होंने बोल दिया तो हो जाएगा, नहीं. Okay, it depends completely on your divine timing, your life purpose, your connection, your karma and everything. Okay, we have be assertive. Yeah, what else do you need? This is a confirmation from your spirit guides and from my spirit guides as well. You should be positive, keep being positive, stay positive, keep manifesting, and don't let negativity or pride, ego or ego based fear, okay, or maybe fear based ego come in your way. Okay. Next we have is I feel you even though we are apart. Okay, so your person is saying this to you. They are feeling your energies. You are still connected telepathically. That's another thing that I'm getting. आपको पता है या फिर आपके ड्रीम्स में आपके पर्सन आके कुछ बोल जाते हैं, या फिर यू आर सेंसिंग देयर एनर्जीज. सो योर सोल्स आर टेलीपैथिकली कनेक्टेड एंड कम्युनिकेटिंग. मे बी 3D में वो ना हो, यानी कि आपके जो लाइफ में अगर आप कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर पा रहे, लेकिन आपकी सोल्स जो है telepathically they are connected, and that's the reason why you feel what they are feeling. Okay, I left you before you could leave me. Okay, I wonder if you are happy without me. So they are also not happy without you. I left when I saw you with somebody else. So maybe there was a third party previously, but and now maybe they have hurt you, maybe you have hurt them. Okay, just because you wanted to get rid of this person, of the connection or toxicity, maybe you were exploring, and that's the reason why this person got hurt. Okay, I lost myself for a little while. Yeah, I remember every single detail of that day. So this was a beautiful reading, guys. Everything is coming together, and things are falling in place, okay, and it's getting manifested very soon. But don't, get very much obsessed with the time frame, or don't be so desperate, okay, and just focus on your energy, on your healing, on yourself. Keep focusing on yourself, keep investing in yourself, and whatever you are doing, okay, in your career or otherwise, and keep being positive, and just be positive. Start manifesting if you are not doing it, or maybe if you are doing it, then keep manifesting, okay, continue doing that. It's all, you know tables are turning basically in your favor. Fine, so this was your reading, guys. I hope it resonated well with you. I'll be back with another reading soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.